Today I'm going to show you how to create a smart to-do list in Excel for your everyday activities. So follow me. So on our screen, we have a list of activities that it could be any form of activity that you are, doing. So I have send report, pay vendor, review budget, and all sorts. And we have the tick area where we're going to put check boxes and the response. So we want to insert the checkbox here, which is the first step we're going to take. So we highlight it, go to insert, and go to checkbox. So now the checkbox is now available for those who have 365 and its equivalent. And when we tick it, then it shows us our checkboxes. Notice that once you click the checkbox, you see on the formula bar that something is written false, which is a response for that checkbox. Now, we are going to develop something that once we click the checkbox, it should show us if the task is being completed or not. So we're going to use an if function. So we say if, then we point to the checkbox, which is that false. And we say if it is true, then it should show us completed. Otherwise, it should show us pending if the response is false. Then we copy down for the rest of the list. Then you can see that we've been able to create that response. When we click on it, you can see that it is, working. The next step is to, use a conditional formatting to make it much more smarter. So we'll go to Home tab and we go to conditional formatting. We'll go to new rule, and we're going to scroll down to use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then what we're going to do is to use a formula. So we say equals to the tick checkbox, then we use a $sign for the column, and leave the row free. We say it's equal to true. Then if it's true, then we'll put a bold, and we're going to put a little bit dark gray color. Then we put a strike through to show that that task has been completed. Then we press an OK, and we'll press an OK. So automatically it has been formatted. Okay, so you can see. So if you find this video very helpful, follow us for smarter Excel.